Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to enter your tax form 1098E T or C in TurboTax Online. To enter the tax form 1098E or T or C in your TurboTax, you have to follow the steps. So first thing, you have to go and log in into your account by entering your credential. Once you're logged in, select the option to start a new tax return or continue with your existing tax return if you are already begun. Then you can navigate in the TurboTax Online. You will typically find a section called Deduction and Credits or something similar. Now this section is where you'll enter information related to deduction, credit and other tax form. And you can look for the special deduction credit related to your form, that is form 1098E. So this form is used to report student loan interest. You can look for a section related to education expenses or student loan with your deduction credit section. And likewise for the form 109T, this form is used to represent tuition payment and related expenses. You'll likely find the section related to the education expenses itself, and you can begin with the 1099C. This form is used to report cancel debit. You can look for this section and you can go ahead and review and confirm, continue with your tax return, and that's how you can fill out the form in TurboTax. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.